Throughout my racing career, I have used oil made by both the motorcycle manufacturer and the aftermarket companies. After learning how Kawasaki specifically formulates its oil for its products, now that oil is the only choice for me.
OEM is original equipment manufacturer, in our case, Kawasaki. So an aftermarket company would be developing an oil for generic use within an industry. So aftermarket oils can be found at your power sports dealer or at auto parts stores, whereas KPO can always be found at your authorized Kawasaki dealership.
If you have a oil that's been approved by an OEM, it not only meets the industry credentials, but it's also approved by that particular OEM and their engineers, stating that that product meets the requirements of that particular equipment.
We have two different processes. We have a batch blending process, which we take one component at a time in a formula, and we pump that material up to a tank for mixing and blending. So the inline blending process is the other blending process we have. A computer which connects to meters and valves connects in with our piping to allow us to take those different components and let the computer actually meter in how much of each percentage of the additives and base oils go into that finished product. They then take that sample to the lab. Once that material is approved, it then moves on to our next step of the process, which is either going to be our packaging department or our bulk loading department.
Kawasaki Performance oils are easy to understand because you can see in the front what product line and the type of oil you need. And then in the back, you have all the ratings so you understand it meets OEM specifications.
KPO is an advanced line of oils with strict standards, and that's peace of mind from the same people who designed your engine.